Hello, hello. The doggy's making an appearance already. Today we're gonna try out the Fenty Beauty Loose Setting Powder. I know I am late to the game on this, but yeah, I've never tried this out before and it's always intrigued me. I've heard good things about it. I think mostly good things about it. And so yeah, I just kind of want to try it out for myself. So we already have our moisturizer, our sunscreen primer, and our concealer on. We're gonna jump into the details, get it on the face, and start this wear test. So this is $36. I got the shade Cashew, which is for medium to tan skin tones, so might be a little dark for me, but it is summer. $36 vegan, community favorite matte finish, a super fine weightless loose setting powder in 8 sheer shades to perfect and extend makeup wear. This silky loose powder works all day to reduce shine and blur the look of pores, fine lines, and imperfections for a hyper smooth filter that won't flash back. 8 versatile shades melt into your unique skin tone, letting you set, perfect, and brighten without caking or settling. For the final step of the Fenty Face Swirl Powder Puff Setting Brush, sold separately over the powder, tap off excess and dust over foundation, concealer, and contour to set. And I got a little bit in the cap here. Tap off the excess and we're going to powder one side of the face. Okay, so here's the done side. I don't know if you're gonna be able to see, but it is definitely, it's mattifying, it's blurring, I'm digging it. It does not look cakey or chalky. I took a little bit on the concealer and it looks like it's playing well with the concealer. So I'm digging it so far. I mean, it's not like this mind-blowing powder or anything, but okay, so I'm gonna do the other side. We're gonna pop back with the finished look and then we'll get into the wear test. I did a short on the, or like a reel, whatever you wanna call it, TikTok, on the Fit Me Loose powder, and that's kind of what I'm looking for, just a little bit elevated, but it was like a thick powder that had a little bit of coverage and kind of was a little heavier, but I don't want the heaviness, but I want the thickness of the powder. Does that make sense? So that's kind of what I'm looking for. I want a loose powder or pressed powder that kind of does that. Powder foundations typically are a little too heavy for me, but I'm gonna start trying out more of those soon because I've kind of figured out a new technique. They also get like oily, and so like I have a new technique that I wanna show you guys. But anyway, I digress. This is the final look. It looks good. We're blurred. We are matte and we're set, and yeah, so we're gonna get into the wear test and we're gonna see how long it keeps us matte and just kind of how it looks in different lights and how it wears throughout the day. Okay, so I forgot my computer in the car, so you should see this makeshift setup that I have going on here. I do have my ring light on, but I have like my phone propped up on a coffee cup, balancing on my ring light. But I wanted to finish this video before I went back to work. Let's just say this, it looks nice on the skin. Did it keep me matte for very long? No. Let's just go ahead and add a little more to see what happens. Just gonna do a little bit more and depending on, we're gonna powder. I forgot how messy loose powder is. I mean, this is like literally the cutest little puff that they give you. I don't know if I would use it, but like, I don't wanna throw it away because it's so cute, you know what I mean? Okay, final thoughts. Does it look nice on the skin? Yes, it looks nice on the skin. I would say if you have a little bit drier skin, this might work well for you because my oils came through, so it's not like a heavy matte set finish. Ooh, we're moving. Okay, I think we're good for 2 seconds. Let me finish this up quickly. I think if you have drier skin, this might work really well for you. Just like maybe combination to dry instead of combination to oily like my skin, this might work well for you. But it's definitely not for like my combination to oily skin. My oils started poking through very, very soon. It wasn't like I was a dripping, sweaty, hot mess, but they definitely started poking through maybe like 30, 45 minutes after I put it on. And even right now, like layering it up, it's not really like mattifying me all the way. So I think if you have a little bit drier skin, this would be very nice. I'm gonna shut up. Thank you so much for joining me on this review. I will link down below a playlist of all my other reviews. Hit that subscribe button to check out my other videos. I upload Monday, Wednesday, and Friday at 8 a.m. Mountain Time. And yeah, thank you so much for joining me, and I will check you on the next one.